Brad Williams, Frugal Finance, car insurance deductibles. What you need to know. Car insurance deductibles represent the amount you pay up front when making a claim before your insurer covers the rest. These deductibles are often fixed, but in some cases, they may be a percentage of the total policy amount. Understanding how to choose the right deductible can make a significant difference in your overall insurance cost and your financial responsibility in the event of an accident. What happens with a high deductible? Choosing a high deductible lowers your monthly premiums, but means you'll need to pay more out of pocket if an accident occurs. Conversely, opting for a low deductible results in higher monthly payments, but reduces the amount you need to pay when filing a claim. This trade-off between premium cost and deductible amounts depends on your budget and risk tolerance. As Progressive advises, it's essential to balance these factors when deciding on a plan. Key factors to consider when choosing a deductible. Several elements influence the decision of whether to select a higher or lower deductible. Can you afford to pay the deductible? If an accident occurs, would you be financially able to cover the deductible? If not, a lower deductible and higher monthly payments might be the better choice. Without a sufficient emergency fund, opting for a lower deductible could prevent potential financial strain. Frequency of claims? If you're prone to accidents, a lower deductible may be more cost-effective since you'll pay less out of pocket each time. On the other hand, if you rarely make claims, a higher deductible could save you money over time with lower premiums. Risk tolerance? A higher deductible means more financial risk in the event of an accident. If you're risk averse and prefer peace of mind, a lower deductible may be ideal. If you're confident in your driving and accident history, a higher deductible could save you money without too much risk. Vehicle value? The value of your car is an important consideration. If you own an expensive vehicle, a higher deductible may make sense to lower your premiums. However, for a less valuable car, paying a high deductible may not be worth it, as repair costs could exceed the value of the vehicle. Separation of coverage? Some insurance companies allow for different deductibles for collisions and comprehensive coverage. If you're a safe driver but want to protect against unexpected events like vandalism or weather-related damage, a lower deductible or comprehensive coverage could help balance the overall costs. When do you pay the deductible? Typically, you only pay the deductible in certain situations, such as when you cause an accident or when another driver's insurance doesn't fully cover the repair cost. If you're not at fault, their liability insurance should cover the damage. If you use your own collision insurance to pay for repairs, your deductible will apply. However, if the damages are above the other driver's policy limit, you may need to pay your deductible and then potentially recover it by suing the other driver. Final considerations: when deciding on deductibles, it's crucial to evaluate your financial situation and how frequently you anticipate needing to file a claim. Remember that a lower deductible reduces your out-of-pocket expenses after a claim, while a higher deductible saves you money on premiums but can lead to higher costs in the event of an accident. Carefully assess your driving habits, vehicle value, and financial stability when choosing a deductible to ensure that you're making the best decisions for both your coverage and your budget. Comparing various deductible options from multiple providers can help you find the right balance of coverage and affordability. If you have any tips, if you have any advice, if you have any suggestions regarding what is the proper deductible, comment. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps. See you soon.